Welcome to the world of cabin interior at AES Electronics. Dive in and discover how our electronic solutions on LED lighting, power controls can support your needs. If you are tackling a network challenge or enhancing communication system within an aircraft cabin, our team is here to pick up your challenge and provide highly efficient solutions. If you are fascinated by our product portfolio and eager to join a very dynamic team, check out our website at aes-aero.com and find interesting career opportunities. Thanks a lot for being interested in AES Electronics.